All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine using OxiClean Washing Machine Cleaner with odor boosters. This is supposed to help keep your washing machine clean. They say and recommend that you use this monthly to help clean the machine. All right, so this is for all machines, including HE, high efficiency washing machines. So let's get started with this. So my washing machine right here, it actually comes with a clean cycle on there and as an option, but some washing machines don't have that. So I'm going to show you how to use this right here for those of you who don't have that clean cycle option. All right, so with this right here, it says for all machines, remove the clothing and other items from the washer. If you look inside, all of the items are removed from the washer. It says tear 1 pouch of OxiClean Washing Machine Cleaner and pour it in the washer drum. Do not add any detergent to this cycle. Remember that. Do not add any detergent to this cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says open this, and it says pour the packet inside of the washing machine drum. So I'm going to pour it inside of the washing machine drum like that. Got it all out. All right, so after I've done that, it says select the clean washer cycle. All right, so it says note, if washer does not have a clean washer cycle, then add OxiClean washing machine to the washing machine cleaner to the drum and run a normal cycle using hot water. So those of you who do not have the clean cycle wash, okay, so if you don't have the clean cycle wash on yours, you see this right here, it says self-clean right there. What you would do is you would power it on, okay, power it on, and then run a normal cycle with hot water. So I'm going to shut this. And so what you all would do would take the normal cycle right there, normal, and then get to the hot water cycle and just start it just like that. But however, I have the clean, self-clean cycle. I'm going to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it says, after you've done that, if you've done running a normal cycle, run it and start the machine. It says after the cycle is complete, wipe down any residue that may be left behind with a towel, including the drum door, the rubber gaskets and seals. Leave the door open to allow better ventilation. It says you're supposed to use this once a month. So after it's done, you want to clean off all of the rubber gaskets right here with a towel inside and outside of the drum to get it clean. I'm going to shut this and I'm going to use the self-clean feature right there, and I'm going to start it just like that. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.